what's up? This is Vince in Southern California. Welcome to my channel.
Doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. You know I'm loving it. Look you, it's real. Doing it.
VC MTB's new bike, Yeti 165. It's got new forks. It comes with the Performance Fox 38. It's the new Fox 38. It's got I think it's got a relief valve normally right here, but this one doesn't. I think the Performance version doesn't. It's got Renthal bars. 800 length and 50 mil stem. It's got a coil, performance coil, Fox DH-X2. It's got SRAM drivetrain, a GX drivetrain, 12 speed, 52 tooth. It's got Maxxis tires, DHR, and Assegai in the front. What else do we have here? It's got Fox transfer post, performance post, SRAM code R brakes. So it's got the high-end brakes, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. If not, let me know. Comment on the post. It's got MTB Yeti saddle.
WTV.
Oh, WTV. Yep, WTV. It's got the Yeti colors, the turquoise, so you know it's a Yeti. It's got the custom mud flaps in the back. It is
Thank you for me.
custom fab, the large size. It's got DT Swiss 1900 EX wheel set. It's got what size are the rotors? 180 or no, 200 front and rear. And that's pretty much what they're known for. Switch Infinity Link, and it's right here. It makes the mic much better. I guess more linear. If not, comment on the post.